Hello and a warm good afternoon. Salam ase sob manoke Dimapur today laga viewers ke members ke aro mui laga naam to Shitul Gurung ase moi Women on Wealth community para ase. Originally moi Mokchung Nagaland brai ase aro ajido moi Women on Wealth community represent kornai ase. Ajila topic to bishi interesting ase the secret to financial freedom and debt-free life. Ida kun viewers I say welcome everybody aro sobke warm welcome idu interesting talk te. Of course I want to of course acknowledge Dimapur today idu opportunity diya karne because itu money conversations तो ओपन करबले लागि आमी खान ब्राना इतु सिक्रेट राखिबले न হয় मानु खान किनिगा पैसा मैनेज करे सेव करे तहाना लाइफ थि किनिगा पैसा ग्रो कराय इतु सब प्रा जानि सिकुले दो ओपनली सब प्रा जानि सिकुले दो सब मानु बि वेल्दी एंड प्रॉस्परस होबले पारे सो इतु इकु सिक्रेट न হয় আৰু আপুনি খান বি ৰিয়েলাইজ কৰিব মেবি মই লাগা আজি লাগা शेयरिंग दे कि इतु इकु सिक्रेट न হয় राइट and yate ahigena moi ki moi bar jane ki moi laga understanding ase itu topic te itu moi apuni han laga akide anibo moi laga lo background bi didibo moi do ekta corporate employee thakise bishi lamba time karne paisa phali kamai thakise nijor karne do koi eko dependence khan bi thaka nai moi laga होलिबे मोय 10 years कमाई फल से कुरिगना होलिबे मोय पैसा दो बच्चा बोले ही ना पारी लगिसे किमान इनकम आइबो मोयना लगा मोयना खतम होरा दनि दो इतु जीरो बैलेंस से आहिबो आरो इतु प्रॉब्लम हुआ इनिया टाइम दि दो ओलोप तो मोयब्रा क्रेडिट कार्ड खान बि लइना इमरजेंसी गारने गना बि शुरू करिसे होलिबे इतु इनिगा शुरू करा दो उल्टा मोयला क्रेडिट कार्ड मींस बाकी दे पैसा चला बैंक लगा पैसा ना तो इनिगा हुआ तो आरो मुई लगा उल्टा क्रेडिट कार्ड बैंक लोन दरो इंक्रीज ही होई गना जाइसे छोटो अमाउंट ब्रा शुरू करिसे बैंक लगत कितेबा 5000 बैलेंस थागिबो 10000 इनिगा करिगना तो इतु क्रेडिट कार्ड लगा लोन दो खतम नहा होइसे आरो तो मोइना पछे मोइना मोय बिल दो तिराय ऐसे होलिबी इतु क्रेडिट कार्ड ला बिल दो जीरो दि दो आने बोली ना परा होइसे तो इमेजिन मोइला कंसिस्टेंट सैलरी थगिसे मोय कुनो बा मोला अम्मा बाबा के भी पाली बोली लगा थाका ना मोय निजर ही पाली बोली थगिसे होलिबी पैसा दो इतु दिबी मोय पुंचा बोली ना परा दो इतु किनिका ना कितिया बदो मोय भाबी थगिसे आ मोय लगा एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड फाइनेंस ती नाथागा प्राय ही मोय मनी मैनेज करली न जानी हो बोला इनिगा भी भाबी तगेसे होली भी 2 साल पीछे दे इनिगा जीरो बैलेंस मंथली एंड ऑफ द मंथ दे ब्रोक कोई ना पॉकेट तो खाली थाका दो इनिगा थाकी ना पीछे दे लकीली मोय 6 years ago women on wealth community दे मोय लगा फैमिली मेंबर तबर जुराई दिसे आरो यते आइगिना ही मोय बा की हिकिसे इतु लगा मोय आबुनि खान लगत मेन पॉइंट्स तो किमान पारबो आजि लगा टाइम दे मोय आनी बोले कोशिश करे आसे ओके एंड ऑफ कोर्स एकटा बिग लर्निंग मोय लगा थाका तो इतो मोय लगा एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड मोय द साइंस स्टूडेंट थागिसे ना तो मोय एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड पर मोय लगा फाइनेंस लगत इको कनेक्शन नाय मोय educated माइकिकता आसे होलिबे फाइनेंशियल एजुकेशन थाका ना इतु कारणे मोय लगा फाइनेंशियल स्किल्स तो मिसिंग थाका ब्राही मोय पैसा मैनेज करबले पैसा किनेगा सेव कोना ग्रो करबले इतु स्किल्स तो ही लैकिंग थागिसे तो इतु अंडरस्टैंडिंग आहा पीछे दे ही मोय ब्रा फाइनेंशियल एजुकेशन लोबले लगा शुरू करिसे सो बिग लर्निंग आजि लगा आबुनि खान लगत एंड पिशी वाला तो यंग मनु खान भी तो साइड देगेबो तो मोय स्पेशली यंग द यूथ ऑफ डिमापुर यूथ ऑफ नागालैंड तहन के एड्रेस कोले मोना से दैट एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड ब्रादो इकु अमेला पर्सनल फाइनेंस सक्सेस ते इकु लिया दिया नाय ओके एंड आल्सो अनदर थिंग इज अमी खान एजुकेटेड ase koishugule itubra amigan financial success pabo itu be guaranteed nai khile mane finance to alag ekta skill ase education formal education para khali amigan ke ekta foundation level itu education thaga karne amigan bra naya cheez to be hiki bole pare to itu possible banai diye amigan formal school college education para dona will be it in no way guarantees financial success because financial success karne financial skills lage to itu laga he aji do amigan bra itu ajila conversation there and so many people watching thank you so much I can see some names Biswajit Bhatt Ajeto Chubala Anilar you know so many of you are here Vikas Sharma watching this so thank you please apunigan laga friends family can be itu live to sabule karne invite koribi itia amigan topic laga robi in depth jabole shuru hoy ase ajila topic to ase the secret to financial freedom and debt free life aru moi ba mula sugudolop inia jai ase koishiguli to itu moi mula computer de kiki points kan panaya na ase itu sai ase to karne okay so don't think I'm weird so secret so called secret number 1 okay John Maxwell para kushe you will never change your life until you change something you do daily the secret to your success is found in your daily routine okay. So number 1 secret is habits amigan laga habits te financially successful hobole laga bi kunuba do asena naya mela daily routine de itu bi sabole ase amigan daily exercise kura nishina daily exercise to amigan bra healthy hobole karne kore similarly amigan wealthy hobole karne amigan laga wealth habits money habits financial habits khandi asena nai itu bi sabole ase to itu amigan la daily routine de ikubi nai amigan financial life bhal korobole karne ikubi action do nai kushigure do ajibra do ekta action holibi shuru korobole laga jawol lage for example apni ganbra okay where can I begin to moi financial habits to build korobole shuru korobo gole kot pra start korobo number 1 do habit apni ganbra build korobole para do poisa kiman ayase poisa kiman jayase itu aru itu standard ase moi bishi bar repeat bi kori thake money in money out poisa kot pra kiman ayase tu likhibole laga start korbe habit building okay to iniga maybe reading a book moi kunoba books moi ba bhal laga khan recommend bi korobo olo pichide at the end when I summarize maybe reading a book maybe reading an article okay financial article to itu khan sabi apni khan financially successful hobole mon ase koishe gole financial habits to routine di ani bole shuru korbole lage and that's secret number 1 every day apni khan kiman minute itu di ase okay itu prabi apni khan ba assess korlo parbo there is this amazing book called Atomic Habits by James Clear. Atomic Habits by James Clear. Itu de koi. Amigan bra ek din de ekta habit kiya men bra 1% bhi itu. For example, ekta book laga abunigan bra adha page hi ek din de puri shikobi. Adha page to ekta iman dangor 300 pages la kitab te adha page to ikku bhi no hoy. It is negligible. Abunigan bra bhi nijor bra bhi bhabi bola. I adha page hi puri gana to ki pabo moi bra inga bhi bhabibo but 1% amigan by every day adha page puri gana chai shikuli bi ek din 300 pages to puri lobo okay so in that book Atomic Habits the James Clear pa koi 1% hi amigan pra kiba ekta gora do it's so negligible itu bra men ba bhabe iku farak na haibo amigan la life de good difference create no korbo hoile bi every day 1% korle do at the end of the year 365 days la pichidi do you would be 37 times better than where you began okay so the power of compounding apply it to your habits. So number 1 is build your habits. Ensure for your financial success abuni khan laga life de everyday routine de financial habits kuno bado dhalado shuru koribo lage. Okay, so that is, and there's so many habits, but I have shared kunoba start koribole laga do book, articles, learning a financial term a day, just writing down money in, money out. Okay, number 2, secret to financial freedom and debt free life. Number 2, apuni khan ba iman bishi manubra sai asi the life to kitiaba apuni khan ba bi bhabe na bhabe aya moina commerce purile do bishi bhalo bol tagise, moi financially successful hol tagise, moi paisa bishi kamawol tagise, iniga bhabe na bhabe apuni khan ba bi. So do comment iniga mon dikono ba time de ai tagise kushu bole. So I lived in that myth. I believed I was not smart with money. Kile mane moi commerce background pra thaka nai, moi finance background pra thaka nai. But itia financial education law piche de hi I broke that belief system. Amiga la education background pra do iko liya dia nai. Apuni anba kuno ba do Nagaland dibi dikhina tagibo. Maybe not just Nagaland, anywhere. Successful people, entrepreneurs, anybody. Successful people, idu tahan highly educated khani asenia no hoy, right? Like we know, formal education pra dropout kura khan world over. Iman CEOs khan bi ase tahan, like take our dear friend Mark Zuckerberg. Itu thanks to him, amigan itu live to itia kore ase, and we are connected. So education background has nothing to do with your financial success. Okay, you've got to get that, because finance ekta alag system ase, aru itu finance system kun bra bujibole pare tekhan bra success to pabo, right? Ekta system ase, systematic way bra jaishi kuli do amigan ba pabo, right? So for example, amigan ekta investment shuru korle koishi bole, first you will read about the investment, apuni khan bank ti jabo, maybe form fill up koribo, aro kiman moina de kiman paisa dhalibole lage itu understand koribo, and then apuni khan bra every month itu timely payment, like the systematic way ase, right? Aro itu to kun manubra olibi itu system bujile do koribole parbo. Itu apuni graduate asi koili hi itu paribo, iniga iku nai, conditions iniga nai, right? Anybody kun bra itu system bujibo tai bra itu koribole paribo. Okay, so that's secret number 2. Finance to ekta system ase, itu bujiwi, aro apuni khan laga education background bra apuni khan la financial success to dictate no kore, itu bi bujibole ase. Okay, now I saw this wonderful line, ekta article dena. It says in the 2021 sal dia samigan idu devi, sadly financial literacy is inherited. Idula matlab to ki ase, matlab moi laga ama baba financially educated ase koile do moi bi financially educated hopole laga chance to bishi dangor ase. Hoile be amigan la ama baba khan financially educated nai koishi gule, takhan financially ignorant asi gule do ami khan be itu inishinai hobo, right? Which is a sad thing. Hoile be reality be ase. So what can we do as young people? Take responsibility for your own financial success. Moi laga ama baba ba moi ki hikanai iniga koala time no hoy. Apuni gan ba moi ke Facebook te live sai ase, matlab you have access to knowledge and information. Aro ajigali la din de do, if we stay ignorant, we choose to stay ignorant. Iniga ase na kile mane information do mobile phone ba bi sob access ase. Okay, so please remember, let us break away from this belief system कि finance तो ama baba ba hikaile hi hikibo or financial success moi education background commerce thagishi finance thagili hi MBA thagishi koili hi moi successful hobo nohile nohobo itu belief system to phangai dibi aji. Okay, that's secret number 2. Next, secret number 3. Finance is a life skill. Okay, idu apuni ganbra moi do itu financial skill do nalage idu hikibule kam nai iniga bhabi ase koishugule ani bhabi ase gule. I want to remind you that finance is a life skill. Life skill matlab like cooking is a life skill, driving is a life skill, swimming is a life skill, for example. Okay, तो इदु moi swimming jani ase moi cooking jani ase goisu gule moi everyday swimming koro lage everyday cooking koro lage itu bi no hoy hoile bi kunoba din de moi cooking korole lagisu gule to I have the skill to cook ingredients bishi bhal ase goisu gule bi moi ba cooking skill hi nai gole to moi iku banabole na parbo moi nijor ke feed korole na parbo, right? Similarly, gari ase hoile bi emergency de moi driving skill nai koisu gole to moi do gari bhal ekta ase gole to chulai na I cannot help myself. So cooking, driving nishina finance is a life skill so that kitia abuni khan lagibo itu skill and information you can help yourself. Nohile to dependent hobo, right? আপুনি খান একটা ট্রানজাকশন কৰো বুলি বি रुखি থাকিব কোনোবা বা মই আহিনা মদত কৰি দিলে কইনা আৰু এটো মদত কৰা মানুহ নাই গৈছ বুলি তো আমি গান লাগা কাম দ নহব that is dependency. So finance personal finance like the life skill ase etu ami khan itia nalagili bi ekta stage to life te ebo etu lagibo etu garne hikibi tu. Okay, and young people, do not get into this trap. Okay, ki muiba puisa nakamai itu garni hiki bole kam nai. No, please do not think like that. Learn whenever you can. It's a skill. Okay, and don't think moi kama bole shuru hui gina hi moi learn korbo. Please learn as early as you can. That is secret number 3. Finance is a life skill. Number 4, it's I don't know if it's a secret as such, but it is what will keep you motivated. Itu janishi gule do you will stay in the game for longer, and itu inspiration do moi ekta kitab Simon Sinek apuni anba bi huni na bi thagibo. Simon Sinek laga kitab start with why, find out your why itu laga point ani ase moi because you need to know apuni khan financial skill hiki ase guli bi paisa save korle ase guli bi everyday naya habit build kore ase koishi guli bi khile why are you doing it itu the important ase jani bole because ami kan bra itu moi laga why logodi connection iku nai koishi guli to moi kiman bi great idea hoili bi nukuribo, right? To apuni kan moi na itu habit build kura do itu karne aside itu your why are you doing what you're doing itu do apuni kan nijo karne bishi clear hobole lage. Okay, so find your why save money, why write down money in money out, why make that effort apuni an nijor garne clear hobi. It could be okay why I am doing this is moi laga family do loan te phasi di bole mon nai, why so that moi laga nijor business start kore garne moi nijor laga paisa jama korna se iniga thaki bole mon, that is why I'm doing this. So clear why you are doing it. So find your why, young people and everybody of course. Okay, so that every day kiman bi dukh aibi kitaba do alchibi lage एकटा simple exercise money in money out likhabi alchi bi lagi bole thakibo hoile bi you will do it if you're clear about your why. So find your why, okay? And that was secret number 4. Next though, secret number 5, value your time. Amigan bra apni anbar bi comment te likhi dibi kun bra khuni ke na se time is money. Time is equal to money. Moi bra bi bishi hikina huni na to thagise poila de holibi it's only recent years se moi bra jani she time is equal to money kwa laga value do na. Especially amikhan Nagaland de bi jane moi amikhan our nature is to help. Amikhan bishi community de very close aro manukhan ke bi ni time do ni di de amikhan ba modot koru bole iniga na sob to di de hoile bi 2 things. How you relate to your time is very important, okay? Because amikan job te jaya se gushiguli bi we are exchanging time. Amikan moibra jaigana 8 khonda kam te dibo to moi laga salary ahe means moibra itu 1 khonda kam kura do 1 khonda laga do moi laga iman paisa per hourly rate moi laga na. Similarly apuni kan bra bi time dia dende time dia aro income pai, so that's the exchange that is happening. Time and money laga exchange, okay? Itu to bujibule lage amigan time waste kuri ase koishibule do how can I monetize my time, right? To how you relate to your time, apuni la time ke apuni right ta puisa laga value dia sina nai, right? And in no way I mean to say that manukhan ke modot nukoribi niya nohe, but know the value of your time. Moi laga 1 ghonta laga worth to kiman ase, okay? That's very important. Number 2 is how you relate to money. Amikhan bra bishi manukhan bra again nijor bi I mean moi hard work moi laga time digina moi ba paisa kamai shi kuishibole itu paisa free bra do ahana moi laga time dishe aro moi laga time do precious ase kile mane itu jaishi gure to aro nahai boi do time do, right? So every I mean ba jaina paisa spend kura dem de 100 rupees is not 100 rupees. 100 rupees is maybe 10 minutes of your life. Abuni ba 10 minutes nishina kam korna 100 rupees kamai shi kube, you know? So what are you doing with your money is equal to what you're doing with your time, right? So understanding itu thagishigulu do itu bishi it can be life changing. Apni buan bra moi laga time laga value do ki ase, okay? Aro itu puisa dia do itu ini puisa nohoi de apni kan bra nijor la time bra time dia ase, right? So the next hello, I am back again. Something happened and then the life though suddenly born hoi jaise. So come back everybody, come back. Welcome back again. Amikhan bra ajila conversation, the secret to financial freedom and debt free life to continue korobo. Ita moi bra apni logot value your time itu and what's the relationship between time and money itu laga conversation to korishi, right? The 6th secret I want to talk to you about is Nagaland de amikhan debt laga problem the bishi dangor ase. How many of you agree that Nagaland de amikhan laga loan laga system do bishi bia hoi gena ase aro manukhan bishi phasi gena ase dokpe pai ase? If you agree, then apuni comment te likhi dibi yes, Nagaland debt situation to bishi difficulty edi ase, okay? So welcome back everybody. I can see you guys are joining back, so thank you. Understand how debt works. Loan system do kini ka ase Nagaland actually there's a Nagaland Money Lenders Act of 2005. Itu bishi manobar na jane, okay? It is not as strong, but Nagaland Money Lenders Act 2005 pra koi that number 1 money lending lenders khan to license thaki bole lage. License thagile hi tahan pra paisa do lending koribole parebo. Okay. Number 2 is money lend korishu kule bi bank pra kiman de loan bank pra kiman percentage di ase itu loga uporte money lender pra khali 3% per annum means per year 3% lagai gina hi tahan ba money lending to koribole pare hoile bi the reality is 3% to manukan ba minimum ek moina la charge kore right aro 3% minimum itia do moiba hona do 10% per month is still average 10% per month interest de paisa dia le liya koishi gulero 1 year de 120% interest dia se now 120% de amen bra interest de paisa luishi gule can you find an investment okay investment 120% ek saal de guarantee diya investment do kundo wala ase there is none that exists 120% crazy interest percentage te amigan ba paisa loi ase hoilibi amigan ajila din de paisa investing gurishi gulibi 120% guarantee okay which means amigan la debt cycle break korle to bishi tan pabo okay people are taking so it's very important to understand debt to kine aro amigan debt te interest loan loabi local loan do interest loabi compounding de loya amigan which means amigan ba interest pay nukori shule interest debi aro interest lagina pay korase aro in case ek moina de amigan deficit te thake now what is deficit moila ga income do 30,000 आया से कोबे आरो मोइना लगा एक्सपेंडिचर 35,000 आसे कोबे तो ऑलरेडी मोइ लगा पैसा आहा दो 30,000 ही आए हुली भी पैसा जाला रास्ता दो 35,000 जो -5,000 तो डेफिसिट ते आसे तो ये तो -5,000 तो कुत प्राणी वो ये तो पैसा उलाबुले लगिले तो कुत प्राणी वो तो पैसा दो either आरो निजोर बा सेव करना आसकुल तो सेविंग बा 5,000 उलाबो सेविंग नाइ कुशकुल तो आरो लोन लोबुले लगा उलाबो so always very important to know is lifestyle निजोर लगा दो live within your means 30,000 ही हाईएस्ट गुरी तो every month लगा दो 30,000 भीतर दे ही पैसा मैनेज करे बोले तो कोशिश कर लगे you have to otherwise तो लोन दी तो खुशी बो आमिगान right तो इतु भी अंडरस्टैंड करबी बजेट बनाई शुकुले किमान पैसा आए इतुला भितर दे लिविंग विदिन योर मीन्स लिविंग बिलो योर मीन्स अमिखान मीन्स तो 30,000 लगाए आसे तो कोइशुले तो लगा भितर दे ही लाइफ तो करबले लगे राइट एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स अमिखान विल स्ट्राइव टू ब्रिंग आवर इंक्रीज आवर इनकमिंग ओके बट नो अपनिखान सरप्लस ते आसे ना डेफिसिट ते आसे and it's very simple to calculate nijor laga paisa aha kiman ahibole ase sabi nijor laga paisa to kiman jai ase sabi aro etu plus minus korishu gole do incoming minus outgoing korishu gole apni an ulao and you'll know apni an surplus te ase na deficit te ase and always our effort will be to be in surplus no deficit okay and understand amihan la debt laga cycle kini chuli ase because Nagaland but debt eliminate korobo koshibule do how debt works it's very important to understand it's crazy amigan ba kiman interest de itu interest percentage ke amigan bra kamai gina hoile bi investing korna bi cover up to korobole do na paribo because there is no guaranteed investment tool that gives you 120% plus return okay so that is what it is that's secret number 6 okay and what else did I want to share okay very important question for all young people now we have to gain immunity from debt right manuhan kiman loan dese tahan ki kinia loan bolabo itu koshish kor lage aro kun manuhan loan dinai tahan to kiniga loan dina na jabo nukushibo itu wala bhabibi okay otherwise understand amihan la Nagaland la system te debt is in our system now to itubra abunian ki bi sak korbo okay to abunian ba nijor ki kiniga immunity dibo so that itu debt pramen ke sak no korobole nogoshi bole to debt laga problem de itula rasta bisar lage that is the only way you can be debt free. So the secret to debt free life is not to get into debt in the first place. All right, so please and that's why Amihan Women on Wealth Pravi debt free Nagaland, debt free Northeast laga initiative loigena ase aro itula path to financial education ase. I believe that the only way to fight debt is through the path of financial education, and that is why this conversation. Okay, so I do want to again stop and acknowledge everybody for being here listening to this. Don't forget to share kile mane idu manu khan kiman bra hunibo imani dahan bhi itu knowledge to paigana financial freedom or debt free life to lead korole la rasta de hobo. Okay, so now itu 6 secrets to moi babane lot share kori to financial freedom and debt free life. I want to summarize everything for you and with some points itu moi ke help korise itu karne apuni anu ke bi help koribo karne moi kiba share kobo. Money in money out moi almost 6 years 7 years pra money in money out likhi ase every day basis te apuni an ba notepad te likhibi mobile phone te likhibi bishi apps khan bi ase moi baro money lover goina ekta app ase. I don't get paid for promoting it, but it's just that moi use kore ase moi bhal lage eniga apps bishi ase. Money lover is one app you can use mobile phone de every day paisa aha jado likhibole. Number 2, read a book. Apni habit te anibo koshule read a book. One book, any level of financial knowledge thaka na thaka kole bi one book that is going to get you started is this book called Let's Talk Money. It's called Let's Talk Money by Monica Hallan. Aro itu book to explains really well about personal finance. Aro amikan nijor bi ekta online money book club ase Women on Wealth laga ota dibi amen by the book to duibar porishe. So imagine that's how much we love this book. Okay, another book is Rich Dad Poor Dad, of course, classic book. I believe kunba hole bi Rich Dad Poor Dad purishi kule to this book makes you think. Aro amigan laga problem bi to ase na amigan we don't want to think, we are lazy people to amigan ba think bi korobole mon nai bhabana bi korobole mon nai rasta ola bole lage karne na. But this book Rich Dad Poor Dad helps you think aro really changes your perspective. So moi bara do bishi bhal lage, so I'm recommend so my recommendation. The third book on money all of advanced huishi kushi gole do The Psychology of Money is a good book. Again, it's by Morgan Housel. So if you're looking for an interesting book on money, then The Psychology of Money is also good. So these are my 3 easy picks. Next is save at least 10% of money that enters your life. Kiman holibi, kiman money puisa aishi holibi, kot pra aishi holibi, at least 10%, bishi na parishule 10% to save kuribi. Kile mane amikan investing plan kan bishi bhal bar sundor investing plan saishi gulibi saving si nai gole to investing to kill pra koribo na eto garne saving to base action ase but as smart people don't be happy by just saving. Investing to buzzword ho lage, investing to koribole lage amigan. Okay, and kiman joldi investing koribo imani amigan la paisa to grow koribole laga time dibole parbo. Okay, another free resource, up to date resource lage koishi kole do so many newspapers free articles diye ET Wealth, Economic Times Wealth, Monday de itu paper to ahe de aro online bi apuni kan ba saw if you just type ET wealth apuni kan ba internet de easily pabo weekly paper ase itu to ekta article hoili bi pura shuru koribi another resource is value research itu de mutual funds khan laga bi bishi information ase so that's another resource the third resource I use sometimes is ET money be phala se tahan laga articles khan do it's really well aligned very simple flow so ET money and of course there's live mint be ase live mint LIVEMINT so itu khan be great resource for articles and one tip apuni kan finance tip nijor ke zero bhabi shiguli bi itu articles khan pura dem di do read for the sake of reading initially kile mane ami gan bra buji boli na pare goshi boli to ami ba chhari gina bi jaboi do am moi ba no buji to moi chhari dibi okay catch yourself itu naya cheez ase ni naya cheez hiki ase goli do olok to tiktar babo na first do but itu first hi apuni gan understand to nokoribo do na naya ase goli do but stay with it read for the sake of reading initially okay so that's my tip to you because and apuni nobuji shigule ekta article to 5 bar bi puribi iku no hoy okay right but the point is to stay with it point is to not give up right and nobujili to give up korle bishi easy ase but that's not why you're starting to read you're starting to read because you want to build your understanding so stay with it okay next thing is find a community ekla do pura dem dibe alchi lagibo nolibi ekla do nubuji shibuli kun ki hudibo so find a community women on wealth to ekta amigala maiki khan la community ase aru yati amigan bra maiki khan ke paisa manage korle investing nijor ba hikibule okay advice no hoy nijor ba hikigina kiniga life te apply korle itu laga lesson hiki ame han okay training and coaching de to itu karne find your community and feel free to connect with women on wealth aro hiki bole aro ame han laga facebook page te bi women on wealth bishi live sessions kan kori thake aro every Thursday ame han bra free investment laga topic te bi lives kan kori to itu bi sabi apuni an ba women on wealth facebook page like koribi aru tadi ki videos kan ase sob sai dagibe so another resource to learn from okay then find a mentor ekla ke liye struggle koribole na mentors khan to takhan dagi takhan par nijor life te apply korna to they can help us remove the roadblocks ami kan akidi jabole mon ase libe roadblock ase ki rasta choose korle na pare goishi gole to find a mentor ekla struggle koribole laga eku kam nai na so those are some of the things and yeah if you have any questions you can put but aji laga do moi itu sub points apnian karne se aro you know finance is such a topic that one I can go on and on itu prepare kora dum moi ki to kobo ki to chhari boine hoi degi shikile mane sob bi kobole mon jay but especially I trust young people pra itu sai ase aro itu recording sai shiguli bi I encourage pura sabi aro reach out and it's essential amikhan bra financial education do lobole if we want Nagaland de amigan debt laga problem hata bole mon ase nijor kite bi debt ti jabole mon nai koishi gole do because it's a painful space to be in right I mean debt ti thaki shi gole do aro moi ba bishi maiki khan lot kotha kore tahan pa tahan la situation bi koi debt la situation do na iman debt ase to debt tirai gena puisa kamai ase koishi gole bi khabole lagabe bacha la admission karne be paisa kod prani bo iniga be hoigina ase kile mane amen debt te ase to itu karne abuni gan itiaba financial education to lobi aro it's a skill remember that and abuni gan ki education background pa ase golibi to parebo hiki bole just be surrounded by the community. Make money an open conversation. It is okay to talk about money. All right. And yeah, together we need to build debt-free Nagaland, right? And look at prosperity right in the eyes. So thank you, everybody. Once again, I thank Dimapur Today platform. Ito opportunity diya karne to interact. And please feel free to reach out. My name is Sheetal Gurung. I'm Women on Wealth community pa ase. Every Saturday, Women on Wealth community, they Facebook they 11 a.m. they live ekta topic nagamis tiane moi inigahe. So yeah, catch last week's live and this weekend Saturday they be moi ahibo. So please come join us there. And thanks again. And please feel free to reach out to me, to my community as well. Aro will stay connected. Thank you and have a lovely evening. Lots of love to everybody. Lots of love to Nagaland. So take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.